If you like my video, please click on the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube.
A man standing on the bank of a tank looks at the fish. To shoot the fish, he should aim a little above the fish, to the right of fish, a little below the fish, by keeping the gun near the surface of water. An object is placed at the bottom of the beaker and the beaker is filled with the liquid up to the height of 10 cm. If the refractive index of the liquid with respect to air is 4 by 3, the apparent depth of the object will be 7.5 cm, 7 cm, 8 cm, 2.5 cm. If the angle of incidence is I and that of the refraction is r, then the speed of light in the medium to which the light is reflected from the air is nu is equals to c sin r by sin I, nu is equal to c sin I by sin r, nu is equal to c sin I by cos r, nu is equal to c cos r by cos I. Magnification produced by a plane mirror is plus 1, plus 2, plus half, minus 1. An optician prescribes spectacles to a patient with a combination of convex lens of focal length 40 cm and concave lens of 25 cm. The power of spectacles is 6.0D, 1.5D, minus 6.0D, minus 1.5D. A convex lens of power plus 6D is placed in contact with a concave lens of power minus 4D. What will be the nature of the focal length of this combination? Concave 25 cm, convex 50 cm, concave 20 cm, convex 100 cm. A lens is formed combining two thin lenses in contact having power plus 12D and minus 8D. The focal length of combination is 25 cm, minus 25 cm, 5 cm, minus 5 cm. Two converging lenses of equal focal length f are placed in contact. The focal length of the combination is f. 2f, f by 2 or 3f. If the critical angle for total internal reflections from a medium of vacuum is 30 degrees, then velocity of light in medium is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 meters per second, 0.75 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Mu is equal to sin c, where c is angle of incidence in optically. Rarer medium, denser medium, air, transparent.